All right, we all good. We got all the luggage in.
Marriott at Merlin Beach.
There y'all go. Now we're ready to head to our room. So I'm just waiting for somebody to take us there. So in the meantime, just be patient and wait. Huh?
You make it walk?
Yep.
You too?
Yes.
What's the name of your YouTube?
I'll write it down for you. They coming.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Come to your room. This key card,
Yep.
you can leave it on
Gotcha.
and you can take them.
Okay.
Yeah, we on 4. But as Marriott members, we get
They got a scuba dive.
Where's Aqua?
Bro, I said, what? I thought it was Bud. Yeah.
Then just waiting on our food now. What up, D?
He said ranch dressing, then he was like, picking up his phone like he was ready. I'm like, she got it. Oh, yeah. Oh, no, I'm, look, that's
Told you to
my
come
best
in.
friend.
Yeah, I told you
Yes.
that. Come on. And you can change the language.
I seen that.
Yeah.
Lee, you gonna work out? We made it. We made it here. It's on now. You sure getting a cut? Now y'all want a haircut down here in Bangla Road? Yep.
Any special, darling? I have back room also.
Yeah, she tried to get you with the ping pong show. 1 hour, sexy. Ping pong. Yeah. I got you. Yes, they tried to get her. They tried to get her with the ping pong show. Sexy. Down here on Bangla Road. 1 hour. 1 hour. They tried to get her. Yeah. what you drinking? What you drinking on? Huh? Oh, okay. How much was it? You got it from there? They down here, man. Y'all can remember this dude because he gonna hook y'all up. I'm gonna put y'all on video. Okay, I'm putting you on video. Give me something. Give me something. I'm putting you on YouTube.
Little John.
John.
Little John.
Little John. This is it. All right. My boys right here. Little John. I got you. DJ up there spinning.
Hello, welcome to John Collection Tailor, Phuket, Thailand. We do made to measure suit, shirt, everything, any design, any model. We are here, Bangla Road. Welcome everybody. G2244. Good chance. Everybody subscribe, please. Subscribe and make the like.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. What they do? What they do? See, I should put that card down. This camera, they don't like that camera. She had that.
Turn the camera. He should get that card. He turn the camera.
The weed spot. Chilling, having fun. They wild down here. They is wild. Yup. On Bangla Road. They get it in. Shopping. All over. See, look at them. They want you to come in there. Yeah. Traffic in Phuket. Just getting started. They said be down here around 11 o'clock. They go to Pink Christmas Tree.
Pink Christmas tree?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the tree you were talking about? Yeah, we was on this side.
Just taking off to go on our boat tour. Don't that look beautiful?
Jerry.
Oh, I'm getting it off.
He said focus on I said focus on the monkey, not the monkey.
This is beautiful.
This is gorgeous. Look at this.
This is Phi Phi Island.
Look at this. You see that?
This is what's happening. Beautiful. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Yeah, I mean it's a little chilly, but I know y'all liking this. See what's happening out here. Beautiful. Phi Phi Island. Here we are. Watch this. Beautiful.
Like you going snorkeling here, baby. I didn't want to here.
Phi Phi Island.
Oh, good, yeah.
A lady, girl, monkey.
When he getting out of there.
Oh, there you go. There you go, Zach. There you go. He said, I'm going home. Y'all messing with me.
Hey, couldn't do that, Andy.
Man, look at that. Y'all messed me up. All the ones that go to the gym.
One.
Look at that. David said, hold on. Yeah, there you go. I like it.
1, 2, 3.
And then wait for me. Wait. One more. Andrew want it. Wait. I can't. Wait. You want somebody to send it to you? No, I got everybody's head. I didn't get it. Oh, we have one over there yet.
Cause that big is a big one. You keep taking them all. We out on the beach. They feeding us. Beach luncheon. After strolling around in the water, Phi Phi Island. It's me right there.
Just snorkeling over there.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. It's a long walk though.
It's a long walk. You have to walk downstairs and this is where you're being.
They ain't ready for
You can't get in the water. You can't touch the water.
You can't even get in the water.
That's why it's so blue.
That's cool.
I
That's a
like
nice
that.
view.
I like that. Offspring.
Just getting back. It was pretty cool.